With storage space being a concern for many, Zips has created a fully compatible solution for those with the newer Miller Car Carrier 10, 12, and 16 series models. Now you can maximize storage capabilities with the Zip Rear Carrier Toolbox kit. Specifically designed to bolt onto the rear subframe, it integrates effortlessly with all control station configurations. The convenient 4-inch by 4-inch notch at the top of the box ensures a perfect fit by providing clearance for the bed's anti-tilt plate. The toolbox is crafted from durable aluminum with dimensions of 28 inches wide by 24 inches deep by 20 inches high. It features a stainless steel door with a single compression locking latch. Installation is simple. The mounting bracket is first clamped around the subframe, then only a few holes are needed to attach the box to that bracket. To ensure stability, secure the toolbox to the taillight housing. When equipped with shelves, this toolbox is ideal for storing the Collins car carrier dolly system. Each rear carrier toolbox kit includes 2 toolboxes and 2 mounting brackets with their own hardware. Box hardware is not included. This provides a complete, durable, and space-efficient storage solution for your Miller car carrier. Shop toolboxes and storage on zips.com today.